What's up everybody, Cole Webb here. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a website from start to finish. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to convertschool.com/bluehost. Again, convertschool.com/bluehost, and that will take you to this website. And we're going to click Get Started Now. So what's going to pop up is a few payment plans, and for $3.49 a month you can host one website, and for $5.95 a month you can host unlimited websites, and it goes on up from there. But I'm going to click this second option for $5.95 a month because I've got a lot of websites I need to host. So we'll click here, and BlueHost allows you one free domain with your purchase. So if you already have a domain, you can sign up here, but I wouldn't pass up the free option that BlueHost is giving you. So I am going to, I've already set it up, anatomyofawebsite.com. I'm going to pick that one and click Next. And that is going to take me to this page where I'll enter my account information and my billing information, which I am not going to record. So I'll enter that information, click Submit, and I'll take you right into BlueHost. Alright, so once you're inside BlueHost, you're going to want to install WordPress to your website. So click on Install WordPress here, and simply click Install. Pick the domain that you're going to install WordPress to. Okay, now that we've installed WordPress to our site, BlueHost is going to give us a username and password and a page to log in from, and you'll want to change that as soon as you log on for the first time. So let's do that. So this is what your WordPress login will look like. You're going to want to copy and paste the username and password that BlueHost gave you right here, and as soon as you log in you can change all this, and I highly recommend it. And of course I'm going to change it because I'm showing you my login information right here, but that's alright, I'm about to change it. So we're going to click Login. And welcome to WordPress. This is WordPress. This is where you will build your website. Get used to this dashboard because you're going to use it a lot if you're building websites. So here's what looks like a tutorial, and I'm not going to go through it in this video here, but I highly recommend that you do if you don't have any experience with WordPress. I'm going to click No Thanks. So I'm just going to show you the basics of WordPress in this video, and we'll get on to the more advanced details in the following videos. But if you click here on My Site, it will take you to your site, and of course we don't have much here. As you see, My Site, just another WordPress site. We can change that by going to Customize and going to Site Identity. Let's change it to Anatomy of a Website. And we'll change the tagline to an awesome website. So click Save and Publish, and you can exit out here, and then let me show you how to change the theme. You could go to Themes right there, or you could go to Appearance, Themes, and I use professional themes that I actually have to upload, but there are a few free themes you can use. Let's activate this one just to see the difference. And of course it's not going to have everything on it because we haven't added any pictures or anything, but see, we've changed the theme there. Now this is the first blog post. It's showing up on the home page because there is no other content on the home page. So let me show you how to edit and post your very first blog post. So you're going to click on Post right here, and you'll see that WordPress has already set up a sample post. You can edit this one for your first blog post, or you can just trash it like I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to click Add New. So we'll call this my first blog post, and insert awesome content here. All right, and we'll put a picture right above this just by going right here and clicking Add Media. And this media library will store all your photos, but I'm going to upload one now, just something random off of my computer here will work. And click Insert into Post, and there it is. So we'll click Publish right here to publish the post. And you can click on View Post, or you can go back and look at your whole website. And here's my first blog post. So it's live, and there it is. All right, so now you've got your first blog post and your website set up in just a few minutes. If you are looking for more videos on building your website and building awesome online businesses, make sure you check us out at convertschool.com or check out the YouTube page, Convert School. And if you haven't already, go ahead and get your website set up, and you can get that through convertschool.com/BlueHost. Again, that's convertschool.com/BlueHost, or you can click the link right under this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you take action and create your website and get started now. And I will see you in the next video. So thank you. Take care. I will talk with you soon.